vegetarian is easy and delicious. A steaming bowl of this soup warms you right down to your toes, pure comfort in every sip.
This vegan watercress soup uses mushrooms and red dates for umami depth. The broth's natural sweetness rivals any meat-based stock. Watercress's slight bitterness dances with corn's sweetness on the palate, proving plant-based soups can be complex. Watercress is a nutrition superstar, packing more vitamin C than oranges, calcium rivaling milk, and cancer-fighting glucosinolates. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: watercress, carrot, corn. Rinse and cut red dates into small pieces. Peel and cubes carrot. Carrot's natural sweetness perfectly balances watercress's slight bitterness, creating a smoother, more rounded vegan broth. Simmered carrots release beta-carotene, turning the broth golden and appetizing. Cut carrots into roll-cut chunks. They hold their shape while maximizing flavor release. Corn, peel outer layer and cut into section. Corn's natural sweetness adds a sunny, comforting note to the vegan watercress soup. When you bite into the corn kernels, their burst of sweetness perfectly harmonizes with watercress's fresh aroma. For 2 servings, use 800 milliliters 1L water, about 3 to 4 cups to maintain ideal broth concentration. Add all ingredients into soup pot. Remember to cut the watercress into short sections for easier eating. Trim the watercress into bite-sized pieces. No more awkward long stems at the table. Watercress traps grit. Easily soak for 10 minutes, then rinse stem by stem, paying special attention to leaf joints. Follow with a 1% saltwater rinse to dislodge hidden snails or eggs. Add watercress into soup pot. Fresh watercress looks voluminous. It shrinks to 1/3 when cooked, so don't hesitate to use generously. 200 grams raw watercress cooks down to 2 perfect bowls, lush but not overcrowded. Cover the lid and let's boil soup. Done in no time. Now add salt to taste. Omit pepper powder if you dislike the taste. A bowl of hot soup is ready to be eaten. Watercress is the king of vitamin K. 100 grams provides 300% EV, boosting bones and blood clotting. Watercress soup contained unique PITC phenethylisocyanide, is a cancer-fighting hero, best absorbed when souped.
What are the food to avoid pairing with watercress?
Avoid pairing with high oxalate foods: spinach, tofu, to prevent kidney stone risk. Warfarin users monitor intake. Vitamin K interferes with anticoagulation. Thyroid patients tip with other crucifers may compromise iodine uptake. Watercress is nature's detoxifier. Its glucosinolates activate liver enzymes that eliminate heavy metals. With 238% DV vitamin K per 100 grams, it builds bones 1.5x more effectively than milk. The unique Peats Plus Vitamin C combo inhibits cancer cell growth, earning its anti-cancer superfood title. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.